Hello, in this last video, I will show you the deployment, additional features, app demonstration, and reflection. So let's take a look first at deployment. As you know, the code is located on GitHub. I have implemented also GitHub Actions. So every time I make a push or a pull request, the GitHub Actions is triggered. Here you can see a history for GitHub Actions. Also, I am using Firebase hosting to host the application. So first, you have to build your application, and then you can upload the deployment to Firebase hosting, and then you will have a link to access to your application. Additional features I developed, for example, and the login with Google, so you don't have to remember your email and your password. You just click one button and select your Google account, and you can sign in into the application. Also, I have the account number generator, which generates a random number, but also checks that this number is not duplicated. And also I developed the transfer function to transfer your money to another user. Now I will show you the application. And this is the home view. This is the link for Firebase hosting. So as you can see, I'm not signed in. For example, if I go here to login, there is no user. I will create a new account first. Let's say, for example, I don't know, Mike, and the email will be mike.admit.edu, and the post will be past Mike. I will create the account, and now I am signing as Mike. If I go to login, here says that I am logged in. I can sign out, for example. You don't see the email here in the navbar. I will log in with Google, and here it will use my Google account. Now you can see that here says johnfigueroa.gmail.com. For example, if I go to deposit, right now I have $4, so I will make a deposit of 100, and now I have 104. Withdraw, for example, I will put, if I put more than I have, there is an error, so I will take just $20, and now I have $84. If I go to all data, you can remember that this account is just created, so the balance is 0. I will copy the account number to transfer. Okay, so now I have 84. I will put the account. It recognizes that the recipient user is going to Mike, and the amount, let's put, for example, $15. Now I have a balance of 69. If I go to all data, you can see that now Mike has $15 and I have $69. And the reason that I don't have password for this account is because I'm using the Google authentication method. Okay, so I have showed deposit, withdraw, for example, $10. Okay, transfer all data, create account. You can create account also with your Google method. In this case, I already have my Google account, and also login. You can sign out and log in with email and password and Google method. Finally, I will show you the reflection. There are so many tools that I have learned in this course. And if I have to make this application again, I would use, for example, an Express application as middle tier, GraphQL for fetching the data, Formic for validation forms, MongoDB as the database, Docker to contain as a container for my application, and Heroku for hosting my application. And thank you very much for this course. I have learned a lot, and I hope to see you again very soon.